Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by sorting and loading so the machine can balance and clean efficiently. First, separate colors and heavy items. This prevents dye transfer and imbalance. Once loaded, measure detergent to the Hayer guidance. Too much causes residue, too little reduces cleaning. You should tuck delicates into mesh bags and distribute weight evenly around the drum. Make sure the water inlet is open and the machine is plugged in. Then power on and select a basic wash cycle to start the automatic sensing routine. You now choose the right program. Use auto or sensor wash so Hayer calculates water, time, and agitation. This saves energy and protects fabrics. If you need extra cleaning, select a higher temperature or a stronger spin. However, check garment labels because heat can shrink or fade some items. Once you adjust temp and spin, add fabric softener to its compartment. Make sure options like delay or child lock are set as you want before pressing start, because changing mid-cycle can interrupt the automatic algorithm. You finish by unloading as soon as the cycle ends to prevent mildew and wrinkles. If clothes smell or feel soapy, run an extra rinse and spin. Once empty, leave the door slightly open and wipe the gasket and detergent drawer to keep seals dry and odor-free. If the machine displays an error code or won't drain, turn off power, check hoses for kinks or clogs, and then restart. This reset often clears temporary faults. If the code persists, contact support with the exact code and model.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.